Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you starting to watch to me. This video is far to you and I think that my dear friends in this video we would know what is being around myself and I think that my dear friends what we are doing and what we are thinking taken at this point we would talk in this video. So I think that my dear where I am and what we are doing till that we would not consider it. I think that we would not take changes in myself anywhere place if we are working, we are doing, and if we are learning. So I think we have to focus, continue what we are thinking. I think that my difference after some time what we don't think deep and when we live vacant, when we sit vacant, our mind goes that place. We think that what we must do, and I think that my dear friends, you must try to learn daily new. I think if you would do as some time will come, you can make different from the people, and you can do who you want to achieve in your life. You must know at this start. So first of all, you have to focus in which field you have choose and in which field you want to go. So my dear friends, it is yet difficult after 12th to decide it what we want to be. But my dear friends, I think you can see to me, I have never decided what we have to do in my life. Where life and time reach to me, I reached that place. वहाँ पर मैं पहुँचा. So I am saying to you again at the start, who are you doing? Give time 2, 4, 5 year and focus them. I think that my dear friends, the result will be better and you would be reached where you want to go. So you must know that at the start, barrier, बाधाएं are coming in every one person who is doing new in his life, who is trying to learn new. But you have to focus and consider what you want to do, what you want to achieve, what is your goal in your life, and you must consider at this step why are you doing it. So when I have met time and when I free, we think about myself what we must do and how we can share of my thoughts of my talk. So my dear, if you have who noted at this talk, हो सकता है कुछ हिडन टैलेंट विल बी इन योर सेल्फ, हो सकता है कुछ हिडन टैलेंट भी हो आपके अंदर, क्या पता वो बाहर आ जाए एंड यू वुड सी सोशल मीडिया is a most powerful person make to you if you have a well knowledge, if you have something different from the another people. So my dear friends, who is hide behind to you, try to find and try to show your talent what you have. You must know at the start. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट पीपल वुड से, यदि आप कुछ ट्राई करते हैं तो पहले लोग क्या कहेंगे, व्हाट पीपल वुड से. आई थिंक दैट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, लिव in the society and people what they would say to you. Only focus in your work, what are you and what you can do in your life. So I am thinking deeply about myself, what I can do and how I can remove our fear, how I can remove our hesitation, and we can share between of the crowd how we can talk. So my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you want to make well yourself, try to give best your. And you would see nowadays at the social media spreading lot of you can imagine what is being. So I'm not saying it, not make reels, not make video. If you have talent, try to show, try to give best your. And I am working here and we try to give best myself when we have met time. I don't know that at this start what people, society and many of type people they are thinking about myself. I don't consider it, but we try to think what we are doing it is good for me in the future. And if I will follow and if I am giving time some something, and after some years sometimes give better result to me if we are working. So give time at yourself and focus, run behind your goal, behind your ambition, what you want to do, what you want to achieve in your life, and how you have to do that work. I am finding time for make video, what and how we have to keep our thoughts. But I am feeling happy when we do as here. I don't consider from the people, but we have met. I am feeling happy of my work who we are doing. Ever we are thinking if we are going that place I will make video, but I don't know that why we have to feeling fear, afraid from the people, society, public. I think that one time I will remove it. We are working, we are working at myself, taken many of type talk in my mind. So if you are watching to me, my dear friends, if you are watching to me, you can join to me and you can share your thoughts, what you want to achieve, what you want to do, and what you can do in your life. Focus that work and try to give your best. If you are studying in your college days, if you are studying in your college days, try to give your best. I think that my dear friends, you have to listen of people. They are saying पढ़ लिख कर कुछ नहीं होता है, बट आई थिंक दैट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स व्हेन यू वुड लीव योर होम यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ एजुकेशन. आपको एजुकेशन का मतलब पता चलेगा एंड गिव बेटर फ्यूचर एंड वॉच बेटर फ्यूचर in your life, what you want to do. So if you are watching to me, you can join with me and meet you in next part. So thank you, love you, love you.